Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The festival of light is just around the corner. There are variety of diyas available in market. Using easy painting technique we can paint beautiful diyas at home. So let's get started. First method, antique finish diya. First, remove the dust from the diya using dry brush. Apply black acrylic color all over diya. And yes, don't forget to color borders. For making gold color, I am using gold powder plus medium here. Or you can use direct acrylic gold color. Take a small flat brush to apply gold color. Don't apply any pressure on a brush for the best result. Our antique finish diyas are ready. Second method is colorful diyas. Actually, there is no certain method to paint diyas. You just have to play with the colors and enjoy the process. Apply any acrylic color of your choice. Before applying, make sure first coat is completely dried. Using same flat brush technique, apply color with a soft hand. You can use more decoration material to enhance the look. May this Diwali brings a lot of joy and happiness. Wish you very happy Diwali. I hope you like this video. For more such interesting videos, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you can instantly notified once I upload a new video.